Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your sales tactics with Salesforce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your sales tactics with Salesforce, start by creating an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Explore the dashboard to understand where all the key features are located. Begin by organizing your leads in the Salesforce CRM. Add new leads by clicking on the Leads tab and selecting New. Fill in the necessary information, such as name, email, and phone. Next, prioritize your leads based on potential value and interest. Utilize the Opportunities feature to track sales progress with your leads. Create new opportunities by clicking on the Opportunities tab. Be sure to link your opportunities to the appropriate leads for better tracking. To enhance communication, integrate your email with Salesforce. This allows all email conversations to be stored within the app. Use the Tasks feature to set reminders for follow-ups. Schedule these tasks based on lead interactions to ensure timely communication. Leverage Salesforce's reporting tools to analyze your sales data. Navigate to the Reports tab and generate reports that offer insights into your performance. Focus on metrics like conversion rates and average deal size. Attend Salesforce Trailhead courses to expand your knowledge and skills. These tutorials are designed specifically for beginners and cover strategic sales tactics. Take advantage of Salesforce's automation features to streamline your sales processes. Set up workflows for repetitive tasks to save time and effort. Regularly review your sales pipeline for areas of improvement. Make adjustments to your approach based on what's working and what isn't. Network with other Salesforce users to share tips and best practices. Engage in online forums or local user groups for additional support. Finally, stay updated with Salesforce's new features and upgrades. This will ensure your sales tactics remain effective as the platform evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.